Some Content Center updates. We now have the ability to publish assemblies into the Content Center. Now note, this does not support reference parameters. iAssemblies are not supported. You've got sketch geometry references to background features. Those are not supported. Just standard assemblies. We can publish those directly into the Content Center for quick retrieval, just like we could place standard hardware, bolts, screws, nuts, shafts, rivets, structural shapes. We can publish our assemblies or batch publish our assemblies. It does support model states for different variations of the components. So we've got a little video here showing this, but this just expands its capabilities to support publishing entire assemblies. So traditionally, Content Center has been a great way for handling standard components like fasteners and purchase parts and steel shapes. A lot of customers, a lot of clients, a lot of users want to reuse their assemblies. You got them in Vault, you can place them from Vault. You got them on a workspace, you can place them from your workspace. But now we can put those inside of the Content Center as long as we have a read-write library available. We can publish those to the library, and now we can place those directly from the Content Center itself. So the publishing workflow is the same as it was for publishing part models. Go through the authoring section, apply the components, apply the dimensions you're looking for if it's different model states that we're working with, and then we go out and we bring those in, we place those into the assembly. In this case here, we're going to place from Content Center, we're going to go grab our newly placed assembly, grab our cylinder, place it as custom or standard. Standard is just the standard default placement. Custom, we have to give it a unique file name there. Once it's placed in the assembly, now we've got our constraints or our joints that we can utilize to locate the assembly from the Content Center. In this case here, using the mate. Now, flexibility is on. Change representation. Open to closed. Midways. Add it by angle. Whatever we've got saved there on the representation, we go through, we modify those, and as we have the allowed degrees of freedom, the assembly updates there as well.